The 2025 bull run has been nothing short of historic. Bitcoin has nearly doubled in value. Institutions are diving in headfirst, and Trump policies are influencing the entire market. But here is the million-dollar question. Is this just the beginning, or are we nearing the end of the bull run? In this video, I'll break down the key forces at play, including institutional investments, regulations, economic factors, and what it all means for your crypto portfolio. If you're serious about making the most out of the bull run, stay with me because this might be the most important video you will ever watch this year. But of course, this video is for informational purposes only. Now, one of the biggest reasons this bull run has been so powerful is institutional adoption. Companies like MicroStrategy, now rebranded to Strategy, has been making aggressive moves, adding over 218,000 Bitcoins in just 2 weeks. CFO Andrew Kang has made it clear they are in for the long haul with a $42 billion Bitcoin acquisition strategy. And it's not just them. European fintech giant Bitpanda has seen a massive surge in adoption, especially after the US election created a more crypto-friendly environment. CEO Eric Demont also called it the real turning point for institutional crypto investments. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Trump. Love him or hate him, his policies are shaking up the crypto market in a way that we've never seen before. He vowed to make US the crypto capital of the world, and analysts from Van Eck and Standard Chartered believe his administration could push Bitcoin to $250,000. Some are even calling for $400,000. But not everyone is convinced. Hedge fund titan Paul Singer of Elliott Management warns that these policies could be fueling a speculative bubble. We are seeing a real dividend between institutions that are doubling down and others that are waving caution flag. So which side is right? Now let's get technical for a second. Bitcoin's April 2024 halving triggered a massive supply shock, and historically that has been followed by a bull cycle. But if we look at on-chain metrics, Glassnode data suggests we might be heading into a collision phase. Bitcoin RSI is flashing overbought signal, and analysts are predicting a potential 20 to 30x correction before the next leg up. History tells us that the major run don't go up in a straight line. Even in 2017 and 2021, Bitcoin saw multiple pullback before hitting its final peak. This is where knowing when to take profits becomes crucial. Why Bitcoin is the king? The real money is often made in altcoins. Business Insider report that we are entering the phase where altcoins tend to outperform Bitcoin. Ethereum and even newer players like Sui and Aptos are seeing serious momentum. And let's not forget meme coins. Trump owns Trump, and Milana coin created a frenzy, pulling in millions before crashing really hard. But the hype has reignited interest in the entire meme sector, with Doge and Shiba Inu seeing major rallies. Now, here is the part that could change everything: macroeconomics. Trump tariff policies triggered a $2.2 billion liquidation event, pushing Bitcoin down to $91,000. The Time also reported a $500 billion wipeout in broader crypto markets. And let's not forget interest rates. If the Fed remains hawkish, risk asset like Bitcoin could take a hit. So what is the takeaway? Be prepared. If you're going all in on crypto, make sure you have an exit strategy. So how do you play this smartly? This is where strategy makes all the difference. A well-balanced approach can help you maximize your gains while protecting your capital. If you're looking to capitalize on the bull run, strategy is key. Whether you go all in or hedge your bets depend on your risk tolerance. Some investors are taking an aggressive stance, staying heavily invested in Bitcoin and Ethereum, while others are balancing risk with stablecoins. And if you think the market is cooling off, reducing exposure and holding more stable assets might be the smarter move. So, are we at the end of the bull run or just getting started? The truth is that this cycle is still unfolding, and while there are risks, there are also massive opportunities. Whether Bitcoin hits $150,000 or $250,000 or beyond, what matters is how you position yourself. Now, let me know in the comment section if you think the crypto bull run is over or we are just getting started.